This is the video tutorial for Access Assignment 3. In order to be able to complete this assignment, you will have had to have finished Access Assignment number 2. So if you have not done Assignment 2, go ahead and stop, go do that assignment, and then come back and join us. All right, so in this assignment, we are going to be creating reports using the tables and queries that we created in the last assignment. So we're going to create a report using the people paid query. So we're going to go to the Create tab, come to the Report group, and we're going to select Report Wizard. We can tell it's a wizard because it's got a wand. Okay, let's select Report Wizard. The query that we're using is people paid. So from the drop-down arrow, come and find people paid. We're going to add all of the fields to the report. We're going to click Next 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to name the report People Paid. And click Finish. Okay, so here's what we've got a basic idea of what our report's going to look like. So we're going to close the print preview. I like to use the layout view to adjust the columns and stuff so that my report is more readable. So I'm going to start over here on the left-hand side with my last name field. So if I select last name and hold Control and select the names underneath it, then I have all of them. And as I grab these control fields, I'm going to adjust the size of the control fields so that they fit the longest entry. Okay, I'll do the same thing for first name. And I'm going to take that first name column and I'm actually going to slide it over here to the left a little bit so that I have room for the event and cost and paid and everything. Okay, so I'll go here to event. I'll make those fields smaller. Drag them over here a little bit. Same with cost. Oops. And make sure I deselect the previous field. Okay, there's cost. And paid. Okay, and I can see I brought those over a little bit too far. So I can always move them back if I need to, so that it looks better and not so crammed in together. Okay, good enough. It's not an exact science, just so it looks good to you. Okay, center the cost and paid column headings. So here's my cost column heading. It's on my Home tab. Where do I want to go? Okay, sorry, on the Format tab. I'll come here to my Center Align so that cost is centered on that one, and paid, I want to center on that column as well. Okay, there we go. All right. All right, now I want to sort my report by last name in ascending order. So I'm going to go to my Design tab, come here to the Group and Sort button. Okay, so that was Design tab, Group and Sort button. I'm going to sort by last name in ascending. Okay, so add a sort. I'm sorting by last name, ascending order. Okay, A to Z is ascending order. Okay, so here you can see it ran that sort for me already. Okay. Okay, as long as we think it looks good here, we can go ahead and save this one and close it. Okay, we'll save it and close it. Okay, now we're going to create another report based on the spring sports query, including all fields. Okay, create report wizard based on the spring sports query. Okay, got that one here. Include all fields. So I'll click the double arrow. Click next 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Naming the report Students in Spring Sports. Sort the report by event in descending order. Make any adjustments necessary to make the report look nice. Save and close. Okay, so we'll run it. Okay, when I look at this, I'll close print preview. I'll come to my layout view, which is the one that I prefer. Okay, it looks pretty good to me as it is right now. So I am just going to sort it in descending order. So making sure I'm on my add a sort, sorting it by event. I don't have an event. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll sort it by last name in descending order. Okay, in descending order. We'll save it and close it. Okay, the last report that we're going to do is one for the basketball team names query. So create, report wizard, basketball team names, including all fields. Okay, so again, that was or report wizard based off of the basketball team names. I included all fields. Okay, we'll hit next 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Calling this report basketball athletes with T last names. Okay. Go ahead and run that report. We'll close the print preview. Go to my layout view. Okay, and make sure it looks good. I'm going to move things over a little bit. Just make sure I can see everything. See, if I come back here on the print preview, I've got paid. It's kind of hanging out over here on the side, so I can't really see it very well. Okay, so let me go back to close print preview. Let me move these over a little bit. Again, there's no exact science to this. You just do it so it looks good to you. Let me come back to print preview. See, I've still got that hanging out over here on the edge. Let me see if I go to a landscape view and go to my layout. Yeah, see, I still can't move that. Let me try going to my design view. Yeah, it's not showing up at all. So I don't know where that paid went. So let's not worry about that, okay? Go back to my portrait view, layout view. Okay, as long as it looks good to you and you're okay and happy with it, and you get the idea of how to do this stuff, we'll call it good. Go ahead and save this and close this report. And if you're in class, raise your hand and I will come and take a look and make sure that you've got all your reports here for me to check them off so that we can move on with the assignment. Okay, good job.